are now in front of the system. We are with Mr. Burak Akbaş from Meteksan, and Meteksan provides the PTR, the Retinar PTR-X radar. Could you tell us how it works, what it does at this system?
Okay, thank you very much. As you know, we are as Meteksan, designer and manufacturer of retinal perimeter surveillance radars. Our radars are currently operational in Turkey by Turkish Army and also in Europe, in some Asian countries. So the main idea of using retinal radars are the detection of humans. So, for example, in the border areas in Turkey, in some airports, we are using this radar for the security of the borders or the security of the perimeters for human detection. In that respect, we created very good cooperation with UNIDEF company and integrated our radar with their container and weapon system. So when you put such a sensor on this container, you can scan all the area 360 degrees all the time and give information if there is any movement in the scanned area. For example, our radar in this configuration is Retinar PTR-X. It can detect human from 5 kilometers and vehicles up to 10-15 kilometers according to the size. So we integrated our system on the container with the weapon station. So if radar finds any target, any movement, it gives this information, the coordinate of the target to the weapon system. So weapon system turns there. There's also electro-optic camera on the weapon. The camera makes zoom, it catches the target and give that information to operator. And after operator check the target, it can shoot or take necessary actions. So the main idea of the Retinar PTR-X on the system is scanning the around and find the humans, the potential targets.
And the zooming system, the camera, electro-optic camera on the weapon,
yes,
locks on the target.
Yes, correct.
So this turning from scanning the area and finding out the possible target, and then turning to the weapon towards there. This is the algorithm working on, is it Meteksan's work or is it someone else?
Yeah, so we are working very good with the UNIDEF company. So we have a software of the Retinar. So currently we are making this integration on the Meteksan software, because in our software you have a map, and on the map you can see the potential targets. So currently we integrated the other systems with our software, and it's inside this. You can use outside the container with a data link, for example, or with a cable, and control the system from that software.
And the Retinar system, even though it works autonomously, I believe there should be a man in the loop to control how it works.
Of course. That's correct. A man normally uses the Retinar software. But for example, you can create some alarm zones on the map. So if the system sees any target, any movement in that alarm zone, it gives warning to the operator. Mm-hmm. So of course you need an operator. Also the control of the weapon system, you need an operator. Mm-hmm. So there is an operator, but the rest of the system is autonomous as possible.
So does Meteksan provide the remote control system, the communication between the Retinar and the operator, or how it's done?
Normally, currently in this configuration, for the first initial integration, the operator controls the system with a cable. But currently we are working with UNIDEF to make it wireless, because as you know very well, Meteksan has several data link solutions for different platforms, like for UAVs or unmanned sea platforms. Okay, they are all using our data link. So our next step is to integrate a data link system to the container, so it makes it totally unmanned and controlled remotely from another place.
So you want to, in fact, integrate such system all the border line, yes, and control it from one station.
One station from a command and control center. So you can make all the border security, most of the border security system unmanned, for example, controlling only from a command control station.
And do you have any exporting targets for this product?
Of course, the border security is not only the problem of Turkey, it is also a big problem in other countries, for example, in Asian countries or in African countries and Latin America countries. So, but our main idea is currently finishing all the tests in Turkey to prove the system here. After that, we will going to market our system for other countries.
Mr. Akbaş, thank you very much for answering our questions.
Thank you very much. Thank you.